I'm just saying, as long as we've got 'em here, have 'em put in a garden.
That which we plant together, we reap together.
Never in all my years of hiring help has one tried to touch me.
Mr. Bird Poo Roof Hands over here.
Forget my hands. Look, just look behind you.
Where are the carnations?
Carnations are so...
I see zinnias. I see jonquils.
Look, I'm going to assume you don't get a ton of play with the ladies, but carnations are every woman's favorite flower.
I'm 1,000% sure carnations aren't anyone's favorite flower.
Tulips? Where did you find this asshole?
Get me carnations! Come on, honey.
No! I hate this garden!
Carnations.
So ugly!
Oh, God, save the nude photos of Merv Griffin.
Go free the whales.
We talked about this, Roger. You're the one who frees the whales every time. This was gonna be the time you did the dance-off, but here we are in the whale room once again.